Hey guys, welcome to KaijuLab, the lab where we turn old kaiju toys into absolute monsters. My name is Michael, and today we're taking on a real classic toy from the Ultraman universe. Okay, enough talk and let's go to the lab. Okay, so for today, I'm gonna custom this Software Bandai 1983 Antlar. As you can see, this is a really old toy, so the pose is pretty static, a little bit boring, a lot of damage, and I think it's gonna be fun if I turn this old toy into Kaiju premium statue. Okay, so for the first step, we need to detach all over the part of this toy and we gonna get this one head, one body, and two parts of hands. After this, we gonna cut all over the parts that we want to custom to prepare for a bigger build. As you can see, because the material is too soft, we need to fill the body with aluminum foil first. And then we will glue them up and the result would be more or less like this. So this is the result after refilling and gluing the toy with aluminum foil. I've finished rearranging the pose and I think I really like how it turned out. I aiming to give him more of a creepy insect kaiju vibe, so I adjusted the gesture to look like a zombie. Next up, we're going to cover all the aluminum parts with the thin layer of clay. Don't go too thick, we're not changing the shape just yet. This step is just to reinforce the figure and give it stronger base to work on. This is how the dried base looks, and I think it's looking perfect. Now we've got a strong foundation for the figure. Now it's time to start the sculpting process. This is where the real magic happens. We gonna adding details, refining the form, and giving our figure more strength and texture. For the base, I used a board that I shaped to fit the figure, and I added bolt to hold the legs. Now I'm sticking the board with styrofoam using double tape. No need to worry about strength. For now, this is just the early stage. We will reinforce it later with compound and clay. While we waiting the compound to dry, we can go ahead and start working on the horn. Alright, here it is, the figure now transformed into a premium kaiju statue. And for the final touch, we're gonna hit it with some primer colors. Alright, that's all for part 1. The sculpting and size upgrade is done. Another kaiju complete straight from the lab. Next up, we're gonna paint this figure and turn this kaiju into a real base with color. So make sure to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss my next video. If you have any ideas, drop a comment and let me know what should I make for the next KaijuLab custom project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of KaijuLab.